community of Student Alliance. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you've been giving us so far. In today's video, we're going to talk about using My View board, how you can access the AI pen or artificial intelligence pen. Now, as you've seen in the previous videos, you'll be able to log in onto the My View board using the companion app. As soon as the login is done, just click on the pen. In the pen option, click on AI. Now in the AI pen, in case you're drawing something, say that you draw a foot or a leg, for example, it will show you a number of images that are related to this. You just have to long press on something and all the images related to what you've been trying to search will directly come here. Now the usage of this is basically a live interaction wherein from your drawing you can show what you're trying to represent. That adds the visuality and also helps students to be more creative while they're studying or while they're practicing something. Thank you so much.